friends, welcome back to my channel. I had full intentions this week of having a thrifted before and after video up, but I just did not get all my projects done in time. So I'm moving on to my next project, and that is to create something patriotic for my back door. I went to Dollar Tree and spent a few dollars, and I picked up a red woven cloth placemat. And I'm going to create a pouch with that. I picked up a royal blue fashion scarf, and that's going to be my hanger for my pouch. And then I just happened to live near a discount store that sells things, and I found this pre-made bow for $2, and I thought, you know, that's just as cheap as a spool of ribbon, and it was just the perfect colors. But this time of year, you can find all kinds of bows and patriotic things to embellish your flower pouch. Now, as far as flowers, I just happen to have some white Dollar Tree flowers in my stash. This is $4 worth, but if you go to Walmart and buy the $3 bush of flowers, that's plenty of flowers. But I'm just using the ones I had. But just so you know, I am using 4 picks in this project. What we need to do first is construct our flower pouch. It reminds me, I used to tell my students that folding it this is hot dog, folding it short ways is hamburger. Some of you may recall that if you've got kids that had kids in school. And I'm going to use hot glue on both sides of the placemat and create the pouch. Okay, let me show you my pouch now. I just got it hot glued up both sides. Now you could certainly use fabric glue, which might take, several hours to dry. Iron-on hem tape would work beautifully too. And it just depends on where your pouch is hanging in the sun. If it's hanging in the sun pretty bad, you might not want to use hot glue because hot glue will reliquefy on some of your door hangings. Now I went ahead and took a black marker and put 2 dots there just to show you about where I'm going to be creating a hole from the back to the front to create my scarf hanger. Now I'm not sure how difficult this is going to be. It seems to be pretty easy to poke through, so I'm just going to gouge 2 big holes there, because once I tie my scarf in a big rosette knot there, those black dots aren't going to show or anything. So it don't matter how big your hole is, it's not going to show. Okay, I just wanted to tell you that I did take my sharp poker thing and poked about 3 or 4 holes from the back, shoved a corner of my scarf through the hole, and it's going to be super easy to pull your scarf through both sides from the back. All right, I got both ends completely pulled through. I mean, that seriously took a minute on each side. It was way easier than I thought it may have been. But I want you to know how much scarf I pulled down, and I'm just pulling it down to about even with the fold, just so you know how much fabric I'm using to create my little knot. And I'm just going to do just a little over-under knot, and it's going to create 2 little balls there, create my hanger. Now on my pre-made bow, you could do this with any bow you make. It already came with, it almost looks like bread tie, so it's not real strong wire. I'm just going to wire my bow onto the front of the pouch and not even hot glue it, because I did try to stick this wire through it and it just goes through super easy. That's one less chance of it falling off if it got too hot. And so the next thing I need to do is just stuff my white flowers in my pouch and hang it on my door and show you what it looks like. Okay, y'all, here's my finished flower pouch, and I'm telling you, I'm in love with it. It is so cute on my back door. I'm gonna move in a little closer so you can see. I did wire my bow, but it was a little droopy, so I did put a little hot glue on the left and the right side. There's my little knots I tied. That's all I did, the little over and under knots. And my flowers, the 2 tall picks, I just stuck in their hole, and the 2 these little flowers I just kind of bent a little bit so they would be a little lower in the front. Scarf, I just tied a knot to create my hanger. I tell you, my back door is ready for Memorial Day. I hope you'll take this idea and make it your own. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.